And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move on in a moment to the main event of the evening, the Economic Times Startup Awards. Nandan, you've been instrumental in the selection process, providing your guidance and expertise as the chair of our jury, and we'd be honored to have you present the first set of awards. Our first award tonight is for the Bootstrap Champ. This one goes out to the brave souls who've managed to grow and thrive without the safety net of external funding. Just good old-fashioned grit and hustle. It's never easy to build a business from the ground up, but this year's winner has proven that it's possible to make a big impact with a lean approach. Indeed, this year's winner has made some serious noise in the world of wearables, proving that when it comes to innovation, you don't need deep pockets, just great ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in congratulating Bolt for winning the Bootstrap Champ Award. And collecting this on stage, Varun Gupta, co-founder and CEO. Big round of applause, please, our first awardee tonight. Varun, before you run off, what's your secret playlist for success?
We're too new and young into this journey, and there's so much of established people in the audiences. I'm not the best person, but as a bootstrap entrepreneur, I think one message that I can drive home is that funding is not the only way. We've seen a lot of discussions around valuations and investments. A lot of startups, the real talent in the country lies in places where there is no access to capital, no access to resources, and that's where you see the real talent. And if you're able to do it, if we could do it, starting from home in a small factory and doing things by ourselves, taking the first CRM call by ourselves on a landline phone, we did a lot by ourselves. And from there, to come a long way to become the second largest player in our category in the country without any access to external capital, then anybody else in the country can do it.